Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I know you're gonna keep on breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I know you're gonna keep on breathing. Times go by and I just came out of my mind. How do I think this shit complicated? Oh, today's just another quarantine day, boring. Nothing to do. I'm here looking outside, staring. Just don't know what to do at all. As you can see out there, it's raining, 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 raining. Just woke up, don't know what to do, just bored. Oh, I don't even get to spread my bed yet. Not even close. Oh, it's a typical day in my life. Oh, just so bored. Just the other day, did I watch the drama between Kim and her husband Kanye and Jeffrey? No offense, but I love Jeffrey. Oh, love him a lot. So I will believe his word for now, but based on my expect, celebrities do lie about certain things because they don't want this whole like lawsuit or probably some mixing up or stuff like that. So they always try to cover up their stories about certain things. So I don't really know what to say about it at all. But I rate Jeffrey a lot. I always wanted to have a gay best friend, so maybe that's it. So that's why I like him. But I like him a lot. But I kind of see it coming because most celebrities, their relationship based on what I said, they don't last because they don't get to meet normal people. Probably if they get to meet normal people most of the time, it can be better. But don't know. I'm not in their life, so probably I don't know. Probably I may be right or not, but oh, it can be. But I don't want to live the life as a celebrity. I don't know. I don't know if I could handle the pressure at all. These people even watch you do watch the simplest things that you do, like you're not a normal person. Everybody is normal. Everybody is equal. Some may have more access to certain lifestyle than others, but everybody is basically the same. Nobody is different. Nobody at all. The only thing different about them is their bank account and their lifestyle, and that has to do with their wealth and their money. So basically, that's it. I don't see the reason. So they are not different from us. They're just the same people as us. That's it. That's basically it. So otherwise from that, life just goes on and on and on and on. So what I'm planning to do today is just get some breakfast and eat and probably do some extracurricular activities with my family and my son. So basically it. Uh, so uh, the other day, my son's school. I don't know why they wait until last minute. I don't know why. Uh, they decided to close his school down. Like they got into bankruptcy or something like that, and they are a private school. I don't get it. And they wait until Saturday gone to let everyone know that they're going to close down. Like really, where are the parents supposed to put their kids now? And it's not like it's a brand new school year because they started school from last year September, so it's not gonna be easy to find play spaces for your kids at different schools at this moment. So I don't know what's going on. Just this COVID thing cause a lot of problem. I don't know why. Just a lot of problem. But I'm trying to figure it out where to put him. I don't know where yet, but I'm thinking about a private school, but not sure yet. Not yet because I had him in one and they weren't that good, so I don't know. Uh, but you guys can leave some comments and let me give me some idea of which school is better. Like in the St. Thomas area or the Kingston area would be good if you can give me some comments or something like that. But uh, this whole COVID thing kind of have people, it affect people in every way possible. So it's kind of confusing because you're just in this car now, you can't get out of it. No care you try to move, you can't move because in every opening you see that you can escape, there's a problem waiting there. That's how COVID is. So I really don't know at all. It come like you're in a maze. That's what COVID is, like a maze. You just don't know where to turn or where to go to get out of it. It is just there. Every corner you turn is another problem. That's what it is. And then again, life in Jamaica is hard, especially if you're not working. It's very hard, very difficult. But you just have to pray and try your best, and you'll get out of it eventually. Just work hard, try hard, and you will get out of it eventually. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my little comments, and I hope you do follow and like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Next time. Bye.